Okay, welcome back, and all credit to the old man. Dad has been busy. Drive shaft loops done. 1 6-inch, 2, 3, 4, and 5 6-inch drive shaft loops. Some of them are aluminum. This one back here is steel. This is aluminum. This piece here is all aluminum. This half of this one is steel. The other half is aluminum, and then the rest of it's aluminum. So for all those people saying how heavy everything back here is going to be, this is all aluminum. But the old man has been fabbing, knocking it out, doing a nice job. Seems like overkill, but that's what most rules require. It's 5 6-inch pieces, and that is what we have. So, just another piece of the puzzle. Drive shaft loops done. So now, the bed has been marked to be cut, because obviously this part of the hitch, we're going to have to do some cutting. Of course, that's within the rules. You can cut what you have to accommodate the hitch. The plan is to cut the sides and the front, and then just kind of peel it up. So kind of like cut here, 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 and then just kind of peel this up at the angle we need to. That way I'm literally not removing any part of the bed floor. Yeah, I know there's a couple pounds there, but I'd rather not just totally cut a hole in the bed floor. I'd rather just peel that up. Not that you're not going to see it anyway, but then nobody can complain and say, you cut some of the bed floor out, which, like I said, it's legal all the same. But anyway, that's the plan there. Sneak peek here, we got rid of the dually flares since we're going back to singles. And back to the chrome in place of the big dually flares. She's going back to her roots, folks. As a single wheel truck. Yeah, little chrome on the front. Anyway, we're getting closer. We got the bed to put on. I've got to get the oil changed in this thing. Of course, get everything wiring wise hooked up back here. I got to get my new tires and wheels on the back. Then we have measurements. We've got to get the front weight bracket remade and done, and some new sponsor decals. I'm going to do something a little bit different there. Put a couple new batteries in the other day, because as the other video showed, the ones that were in this were hashed. Found out that the one was 10 years old, so I guess it wasn't too bad. So anyway, and then I got to finish wiring up the fans. And this thing will be ready. So 3 weeks from tomorrow is the first pull. Or by the time you see this, maybe closer, but for me 3 weeks. So finish line very easily in sight. Should be able to make it no problem if we don't have any major hiccups. So now, something a little interesting here. We got some of our aluminum. I went and got this aluminum casing, I guess you want to call it. It's real thick stuff, which it's got to be because it's aluminum to meet the rule requirements. And then the aluminum rod too. But interesting comparison, this is a piece of steel casing, same thickness, that we used to use at the front drive shaft. So in the spirit of saving weight, might be an interesting comparison here. Let's weigh this 12-inch piece, granted there's a little bit cut out here, this 12-inch piece of steel versus these two 6-inch pieces of aluminum, just to see how much weight savings. So just cheapy scale here. Okay. Looks like about 24 pounds. 23, 24 pounds. Now, let's do 2 of these. It's showing, okay, it's showing 10 pounds, but I don't know that I trust this scale. The bottom line is, hey, here we go. Here we go. This is pretty thick aluminum. There's 2 foot of the aluminum, and we are still only at about 15 pounds, something like that. I mean, yeah, it just kind of proves what a ridiculous. We're still not even close. We're still not even to 20 pounds. Oh, sorry about that. Still not 20 pounds. So, just proves how much lighter the aluminum is. Not that I've been super concerned with what the thing weighs, but as you can see, this whole thing probably, this piece would have a little bit of weight in it. This piece, obviously, because it's steel, but this being aluminum, and then this 6-inch piece, the other 2 6-inch piece, that 3-inch piece, all this aluminum. If this was all made of steel, this would be, gosh, be 100, probably close to 100 pounds. And as it stands, being 2/3 aluminum, it's not going to be anywhere near that. But anyway, drive shaft loop's done. Bed to come. I'm getting excited to get these on there. Try something new. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up. Catch you next time.